Good morning and welcome everybody to our project that we are going to be submitting for the TechExpo 2020. The revolutionary idea of bottles being made out of a biodegradable polymer. Agar, a plastic replacement. Hello, welcome to my laboratory. And today we are going to be answering some extremely interesting questions, such as what is agar, what does it do, how can it be molded into the shape of a bottle, and many others. Well, the most important and prime question first. What is agar? Well, agar is actually extracted from a red seaweed known as Gracilaria lemoniformis. And it itself isn't a singular compound. No, it is consistent of two compounds, which are agarose and agaropectin. Agarose itself forms up about 70% of the agar solution. Well, if this agarose is so important, why not we learn a bit more about it? Well, agarose is a polysaccharide generally extracted from certain red seaweed which I just told you about. It is a linear polymer made up of repeating unit of agarobiose, which is a disaccharide made of G-galactose and 3,6-anhydro-L-galactopyranose. Agarose is one of the two principal components of agar and is purified from agar by removing agar's other component, agaropectin. Now that we have learned what agar actually is, let's get to know more about how it is extracted from the seaweeds and be turned into something useful which can be converted into water bottles in our case. Well, so first of all, the seaweed are taken and they are washed with extremely high pressure water to remove any dust or any other solid particulate. After that, the seaweeds are put into a big hopper or a vat and boiled to remove all the agar from inside of them and to leach them into the water because of diffusion. After which, the water is boiled till it reaches about half its volume and then let cool. After it cools down, it forms a gel which is about 1% agar. That gel is bleached to remove any residual color from the seaweed that it has been extracted from. And then it's milled to a uniform particle size. Agar-made bottles will reduce the world's plastic consumption by 27%. Approximately 1 million plastic bottles are manufactured per second, out of which 91% of bottles are not recycled. So making agar bottles will reduce the number down to 0% and stop plastic accumulation in oceans. Naphtha, a hydrocarbon made from the refining of petroleum, which cannot be used in car engines. So 70% of naphtha is used for plastics. Naphtha is a very useful compound used in making naphthalene balls and some types of rubber, so replacing this with agar can help it to use for some better purposes. The plastic bottled water industry in the world requires less than 0.00504% of the world's oil, which may seem less, but considering that 13,292.4 million liters of oil are produced every year, that means a staggering 669,936.96 liters of oil is used for plastic bottle production every year. And replacing all of that with agar will save enough oil to fill 12,181 car tanks. Well, as with anything in this world, agar also has its imperfections. One glaring imperfection which is included in this con is that agar cannot be left without refrigeration for a long period of time. Only 15 days when not subjected to the bacteria inside the soil, just keeping it idle on like a countertop or any place which has room temperature, it decomposes within 15 days. Thank you for watching our presentation. If you liked our project, we are extremely grateful. See you soon.